Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making easy, personal size tortilla pizzas. What all goes into the easy personal tortilla pizzas? 2 tortillas, 2 to 8 inches flour kind, 1/2 cup pizza sauce, pasta sauce will work too, 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella, 3 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, 20 pepperoni slices, and any additional toppings that you would like. So let's begin. Take a tortilla and put 1/4 cup of pizza sauce on the tortilla, leaving a little bit of an edge around, just like you would a normal pizza. Take 1/2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, put it on top of the sauce. This makes 2 pizzas. Then take 1/4 cup of the shredded mozzarella and put on top of that. And then put 10 pieces of pepperoni on top of the mozzarella. Now you can cook this in a toaster oven, you can cook this in a regular oven, or you can cook it in an air fryer. I'm going to be doing it in the air fryer. The temperatures are all the same. The time is about all the same. Just, keep an eye out on it for the color and crispness that you want. So we have it ready to go into the air fryer. Take your tortilla pizza and put it in the basket. If you want to, you can probably spray the tortilla with oil to get a little bit more brown, but I didn't do that. I'm not going to preheat it. We want to hit air fry. We don't want preheat. We don't want turn. We want 5 minutes at 400. And we'll check it. We may need to cook it longer because it calls for 425 in the oven. So after 5 minutes, I took it out of the air fryer. I did add some extra cheese on top of the pepperoni because the pepperonis was flying all over the place. We'll let it cool for just a couple of minutes and we'll get it cut up, and then Dave can do a taste test.
This looks like a really thin crust pizza.
That is air fryer tortilla pizza, personal size.
Yeah, that's pretty good. These would be good to take in my lunch. Hint, hint.
Well, I bet you I can make those for you for your lunch.
Like it.
So just some afterthoughts on the tortilla personal size pizza. I thought by cooking in the air fryer that it would be crispy all over. It was crispy on the top, crispy around the edges, but the bottom was not. And so it tasted good, but it was kind of a disappointment. So I'm going to try to figure out how to make it crispy. Not necessarily just the air fryer, but I'll get back to you in a day or two. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.